Number 12. Now, Glenn touched on this morning, and again, I wanted to touch on it. I think it's a really interesting thing. This is our VTScada security guidelines. I find this very, very useful, especially with our crossover between IT and OT now. You know, security has just become this massive deal that everybody's really interested in. And as part of our IEC 62443-4-1, we have to publish the VTScada security guidelines. And this document is all about how to secure your application and look at vulnerabilities that might be there. And it's just incredibly useful. And it ships with VTScada, it's there. So you'll see, if you go into your installation directory, I just need to reverse back here, and into the documents directory, you'll find the security guidelines manual. Now, I'm going to be honest, it's heavy reading. There's some good detailed stuff in there, but it's really, really useful. And the summary here is worth reading. The document provides guidance information necessary to install, to commission, and to maintain the cybersecurity certified capability of VTScada in accordance with IEC 62443. And it talks about plant zones and SCADA zones and host device requirements, security manager, good practices with security accounts, roles, and so on. It's detailed, but definitely worth a read. Okay? Ships with the product.